Hey Photonauts, I'm back from 2 hectic days at Photokina in Cologne. It's been a great trip as always, but this year was particularly interesting with everyone getting ready for the mirrorless wars. So I had to dress the part, I guess. Well, yeah, anyway. Hey everyone, reporting live from Photokina. Incredible what's been going on over the past 2 weeks, especially yesterday with all the announcements from Fujifilm, Sigma, Leica, Panasonic, Ektachrome, Ricoh. I mean, it's incredible. Also, Canon and Nikon announced their products a few weeks ago, so let's go check out some new products. After meeting Matt Granger and being promised free beer by Kubbi.
It's paid beer. No free beer, just beer.
We just kept on running around and discovered a lot of interesting stuff.
I'm too small. I'm too small. I can't see. People are too big for me.
Small tools. Big glass.
That's not Fuji mount, right?
Beautiful lighting gear. Really excited models. Printing equipment. Books that I almost destroyed. And of course photo galleries. We went to Korea, where the future begins. Saw wild beasts. And of course lots of curious stuff. Slightly creepy stuff. Sporty people. And some ridiculous stuff too. We went to see what Hasselblad are up to. And of course what's what with the bromance with DJI. I tried out the VR headset. And they even had another booth outside. I'm hearing a lot of disappointed voices about Canon's debut in the world of full-frame mirrorless cameras. Well, after watching some cameras getting some TLC and walking through another beautiful gallery, I got to play a little around with their new EOS R. The build quality feels nice, I have to say. Autofocus is actually better than I thought it would be, and I see a lot of Canon shooters getting this as a second body. It is a first-gen product, but that's basically the slogan for this year's Photokina, right? Yeah, there's some letdowns with all of these new contenders, but let's keep it civilized, they are all new to the game. Same thing with Nikon. After getting some screen time, I had some hands-on action with the Z7. Also a beautiful camera. Smaller than I imagined it would be, although the lenses will be massive, like the Sonys or Canons. But the mount is promising, and I can't wait what they all do when they really get to enter the pro market. I got to play around a little with the Leica M10P. Absolutely a piece of art, of course with the matching price tag. But it feels like the jewel it actually is. Panasonic got a lot of attention with their newly announced full-frame lineup. Some people really got excited about that apparently. Personally, I got more excited about what Ricoh had announced, namely the GR3. Absolutely beautiful little street shooter. I'd be satisfied to take that GR21 any day though. Sony didn't announce anything new for Photokina. They just showed some dead birds and made guided tours for the elderly. They had the biggest ad ban on the trade show though. I'm sorry Sony guys, I'm sure you'll get some new killer gear next year. Also, the A7 III is a beast. Of course, I stayed quite a minute at the Fujifilm booth, not like I'm biased or anything. I just love my Fuji stuff, so you know that by now I guess. We got an Instax taken. I finally played around with the new GFX 50R, which feels like a dream come true. I still can't justify the price of a medium format camera for what I do, but this one comes closer to changing that than ever before. And it's going to be the jump up point for many I think. The focus is still slow, but we're talking about a mirrorless medium format camera here. And with some of the smaller lenses, it really handles quite similar to an X Pro series camera. I'm tempted, but no, not yet. Talked to some friends at the booth, was glad to see the speech of Mullins. Looked at the workshop from Zack Arias and talked to him a little. And I even met Japan Camera Hunter and my favorite bokebros. Got to take their selfies and, well, one for myself. Also saw Mr. Bloom, but I guess he was busy. All in all, very interesting year at Photokina. Good times were had. Can't wait to see how things will develop in 2019 now. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you liked what you see here, please support us on Patreon. Thanks for watching. Bye!